Hello, my name is Amber, and I'm the Youth Services Assistant at the Boyle County Public Library. Welcome to How to Draw. Today, I'm going to show you all how to draw a rose. Step 1. Start by drawing a small oval shape. That will be the center of the rose. Add a few lines for the inside of the center and the outside of the center. Then begin adding petals. Step 2. Keep adding rose petals radiating from the center. They are just slightly curved lines going in a circle when you think about it. Step 3. Keep adding more and more petals as you go. I like to make some of the petals a bit pointy towards the center. Step 4. For a rose that is facing the viewer, just keep working in a circle, adding anywhere from 3 to 5 petals for each layer. Step 5. Try to make sure the flower looks somewhat balanced. Step 6. Add a few more petals going all around the circle. And step 7. Add a few leaves. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay tuned next Saturday at 1 where I'll teach you all how to draw Minecraft, Steve, and Alex.